little update on the fans for the PSU. So they have been installed already. Those are those beige ones here. And I opt for high quality ones. So those are the ones that I bought. And we should be good to go now. So I'm just going to close it up and reinstall everything in the case, fire it up, and just see the noise levels. So let me reassemble everything now, and I will get back to you guys with some news, okay? Okay, so here is the final build. It's not beautiful, and but it's working. As you can see, I'm using an adapter, a pre-built adapter here for the power button on the case, so I don't have to rewire anything. So it's ready to go. And here is the motherboard. And the CPU fan, I'm using the stock one, at least for now. Maybe I will change that later, not entirely sure. Like as I said, in the G4 case that I have, I used a stock CPU fan like for more than 2 years without any issues. Again, I'm not a heavy gamer or anything like that. So I do have a GPU here. So this is going to be my first build with a GPU on. Hard drive is here, but hard drive is only for backup purposes. So this is a 1 terabyte, don't remember the brand of Seagate hard drive. And here we have a DVD RAM. That's pretty much it. Like my main hard drive is going to be that Sabrent PCI Express M2 card, as you can see here. So this is going to be my main drive. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is just like, I'm going to put this cover, the G5 cover, is going to go here. Like this. So it basically fits in there. And it's good to, you know, hide a little bit of the mess. So there is the plastic cover as well, which does basically make a good finishing for the whole thing. And that's it. After that, I'm going to just close the case. I'm lucky to have, like, this case is in very good shape, which is not very easy, you know, to find nowadays. Most G5 cases are not in very good condition. So, oh yeah, it's not closing because the latch is, so I just have to open the latch, this latch here. And like that, close the latch and off you go. So pretty much stock, at least from the outside. So this is the front of the case. As you can see, I didn't change anything here at all, right? So this is the original power button, and everything here works. The audio jack works, and not everything, sorry, the USB here works. Of course, the FireWire port doesn't work. There is nothing to connect to in the main board, and even if it there was, like, I'm not gonna use FireWire for anything. So this is the back, just to show you. So this is the Laser Hive modification kit. It fits really well, as you can see here. Well, I do have an issue here. Not sure what happened here, but I'm pretty sure I can fix that. Yeah, probably have to open this up to see what's happening here. Shouldn't be like that. But other than that, like, it's pretty much good to see. Like the finishing and everything, it's very, very nice. So that's pretty much it. That's basically the thing, right? So this is the original power supply. Well, not the original, the modified one, but with the original outlet. And yeah, I have to basically check now to see how the noise level is. And I'll get back to you after I do that. Cheers. Okay, so I fixed that little plastic thing that was here. So basically it was like a screw that was a little bit too long. Replace that. Everything looks really pretty much stock now. So that's it. That's my G5 / Windows machine. And yeah, I'm going to fire this guy up now and start configuring everything, since I had like a fresh Windows installation on it. And that's it. That's really my case mod. I'm not going to like do what other people has done. Like for example, like I don't understand why people actually cut, you know, the aluminum here and to make like a transparent window. The beauty of this case is exactly the aluminum. So what's the point in doing something like that? That's my opinion, at least, right? So I love the case the way it is. Not gonna change it. And the idea was pretty much to keep it stock, and that was achieved. So that's it, guys. Pretty much done now, and that's pretty much it. This project is now over. Cheers. So this is the case mounted already, configured and powered on. You can see the LED here, and the noise levels are really good. So really happy with it, and it's actually quieter than the other one. So yeah, it was just the PSU fans. So once I replaced those, problem went away and everything looks great. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm pretty much done with this. Cheers.